At OXO, we have as many tea enthusiasts as we do coffee fanatics. So when it comes time for your favorite cup of tea, OXO's got the right kettle for the job. The OXO Classic Tea Kettle features silicone touch points both on the spout cap and handle to help resist heat. Flip the spout cap down to cover the spout and listen for the kettle to whistle when the water is boiling. Then flip the spout cap back to reveal a precise spout that won't drip while pouring. Turn the handle down to get it out of the way when filling the kettle or for storage. A large lid opening makes filling and cleaning more convenient. Seamless, high-grade stainless steel guards against rust, and the Classic Tea Kettle has a 1.7 quart capacity. Here's a good tip. At OXO, we recommend wiping down your kettle periodically, as oil splatter from cooking can wear away at the outside of your tea kettle.